Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at last minute top tips for GCSE Maths. So these are the 5 last minute top tips for GCSE Maths. The first one being is you need to ensure that you review the key formulas and concepts. So take some time to go through the essential formulas and concepts in each topic. So as you know, for paper 3 there are numerous topics that you need to familiarize yourself with. So make sure you understand the formulas, go over them just before tomorrow's exam. Make sure you understand how to apply them correctly. Look at model answers, look at the solutions, and use that to build your understanding and knowledge. Focus on areas that you find challenging and revise them thoroughly. So there's always certain topics that you struggle with. I always recommend students focus on your weakest topics, because that will allow you to perform well in your exams. Number 2 is to practice past papers. I'm sure you've heard this before. Practicing past papers is an excellent way to familiarize yourself with the exam format and identify any weak areas. Try to solve as many questions as possible within the time limit, and then review your answers to understand your mistakes. So go over many past papers and see which topic areas you struggle with, and then look at the mark scheme, look at the solutions, and use that to aid your understanding. Number 3, something so simple but a lot of students waste time, is in fact to master your calculator, because a lot of the time students are fiddling in the exam and wasting time because they are still unfamiliar with how to use the scientific calculator. So become familiar with the functions and capabilities of your calculator. Practice using it efficiently to save you time during the exam. Learn how to input formulas, use memory functions, and solve equations using your calculator. Number 4 is use mnemonics and memory techniques. So mnemonics can help you remember key formulas, theorems, or steps in solving particular problems. Create your own acronyms or visual aids to jog your memory during the exam. Associating information with visual images or funny phrases can make it easier to record when needed. And last but not least, number 5, stay calm and manage your time. During the exam, it's essential to stay calm and manage your time effectively. Read each question carefully and plan your approach before diving into the calculations. Allocate time to each question based on its weightage and difficulty. If you get stuck on a particular question, move on and come back to it later. And remember, do make sure you check over your answers, check over your calculations, because this is how you will score top marks for your GCSE Maths. And remember, again, in terms of last minute advice for tomorrow's GCSE Maths exam, I would say spend the remainder of the day looking at sample questions with the solutions as well, and perhaps look at revision videos online with key areas or areas which you struggle with, and sort of just go over them in your revision time. And that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.